Hey guys, welcome back. It's Hobby Happy. Today we are going to be making a bear. So this is the bear pattern I have. I looked at this and I wanted to adjust it a little bit. Just because of the head, I feel like it's a little too big for the body. I'm also not going to make this honey paw because I want to use this color yarn. It's like a color changed. It's a little thinner, so I hope it doesn't shrink the pattern that much, but I'm gonna be showing you what I did to make this. Yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video. Start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring. You're gonna increase that and do 2 single crochet increase, and then do 3 rounds of single crochet for all 4 paws. I connected them all with slip stitch, and I only single crocheted halfway around. Do 4 rounds of single crochet, and then start the stomach square by doing chain 5, and then you just do 5 rounds single crochet for a square. I wanted to start on the ears a while to get it over with since it's a small item. So to do the ears, you do 8 single crochet in a magic ring, you increase that, and then just do 1 round of single crochet. Sew that stomach square on and make sure there's no holes, and like rub your finger all around and make sure there's none. Here's the decrease round. You start from 5 single crochet decrease and go all the way down to single crochet decrease. Don't forget your stuffing. To make sure the bear isn't like a complete circle for the body, once you have a little hole left, you're gonna put it flat against each other and just sew across. The tail is small and simple, just 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Sew the tail on right between the back legs. This is when you start the head. The head is 8 single crochet in a magic ring, 8 increase, and then go all the way up to 3 single crochet increase. Do your 4 rounds of single crochet and then decrease all the way down from there. When you get to the first decrease, I usually make the snout to make sure to see where I'm supposed to put the eyes, because I always kind of just eyeball it, but it'll go right on the opposite sides of the nose. Here's what I was talking about, stopping halfway through for the snout, but it's 8 single crochet in magic ring, 8 increase, 2 rounds of single crochet. Guys, I'm so sorry, my lisp is acting up. Finish stuffing, putting in the eyes, and sewing up the head. Sew up that little circle you have left. Sew the head on wherever you feel it should go. Crocheting has no limits. You can do whatever you want to your projects, make it however you want it to look. A little hack for your ends that keep fraying, just burn it and then you won't have that problem anymore. Sew the snout on right in between the eyes and don't forget to add your fuzz. Also, don't forget to add on your ears, which they kind of make up the whole bear because they are so cute. Now it's time for the results. This is the results, what I like, what I dislike about it. Obviously, this is how it turned out. I was worried about the size difference. They turned out perfect. I love the head. Like, it's a little smaller, but that made so much of a difference. I think it looks better. I don't know. But I'm selling this one, the original, I know, because I fell in love with this one. I don't know why. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, I know you guys have been a little upset about them being a little too fast and the tutorials not being very good, but if you get stuck on how to make this or this, you can look at my video and see how to make the circle of the head or how to start making the ears or whatever. But I do share a lot of the pattern. I guess it's a little too fast, and I'm sorry about that, but it's not so much as a tutorial as it is for me just showing my process on how I'm making it. I'm gonna eventually be selling my patterns so then you guys can get them, but I understand the frustration. I'm really sorry about that, and I will give you guys ways to get the patterns. I post bi-weekly, so look out for those videos. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.